Thanks to updates to our revolutionary gearbox, the I-Shift, Volvo Trucks can now offer a range of new functions for improved comfort, drivability and safety. Each is designed to give drivers greater control and ease of operation when maneuvering their vehicle. These include change direction, a new function exclusive to Volvo Trucks that enables drivers to stop, accelerate and switch to and from reverse using only the accelerator pedal. Terrain brake, another unique function that allows you to hold your vehicle's position no matter how rough the terrain, simply by releasing the accelerator. Active grip control, improve stability and control wheel spinning in icy conditions or on bad roads. Updated cruise control, which can now be activated at set speeds as low as 4 km per hour and even as low as 2 km per hour if used with the optional crawler gears. Together, these functions enable you to drive both safer and smarter.